Well, welcome in. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick little unboxing video. I ordered this last week, and I've been waiting patiently because I think it has something that I'm really going to like in there. Better move that in case there's an address. Oh, yep, good thing I moved that. Good thing that's why I opened it upside down, because the address label was on the other side. Let's just see what we got here. A little bag of silver, some sterling. Look like a couple nice old pieces of Native American. And this was the first thing. I wasn't sure what this was. It's the only piece I didn't really know. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's, maybe it had a little lacquer on it or some point. It is sterling, kind of lightweight. Nice floral bangle. Early reminds me of the Danecraft stackers. That would probably stack nice with some of those. But it looks like maybe it's a little bit later with that hollowed out design. All right, not a whole bunch of pieces, but some fun stuff here. Nice. Coro. Early sterling Coro brooch. Yeah, it looks like it's missing a flower, huh? That one, that may end up going into the melt bag. We'll make something out of that. Ooh, those would be great. Earrings, ring. I don't know, we'll see. This was one, I wasn't quite sure. Oh, 4 links. Boy, that's really short. I think maybe this was a 5 linker originally. But nice Scottish thistle design on someone that's looking for a shorter bracelet. That looks like a good one. Oh, is the clasp broken? Oh no. Is that clasp broken? Yeah. Oh wait, what? Yeah. That sucks. Alright. Well, sometimes that's how it goes. Oh, a little sterling silver and enamel brooch. Seen some better days. Wow, this thing's got some serious history going there. Had that clasp replaced at some point. Oh, pretty piece. Looks like if you've been around silver for a while, you recognize this guy. The old Nye clovers. Sterling, I don't remember his first name. Is it Eric? Eric Nye? Ooh, what? Oh, Art Deco chrome piece. Looks like a lot of scrap in here. Actually, this is kind of sweet. Is that a Cardinals bracelet? A little early stretchy one that's disconnected, but I bet that one can be fixed. Oh, maybe not. Look at that. That whole link's gone. I'm not so sure about all that. Sure is nice when people disclose condition. Which, you know, on these pieces, I wasn't even looking at those, honestly. I was looking at this one. Beautiful piece of petrified wood. That's what I'm saying. Looks like petrified. Oh man. Yeah. That's a great piece. Nice. Nice sterling silver brooch. Clearly handmade. This one has a great feel. And this one would also be a great candidate for one of those little pendant adapters. Also be really easy to put a little bail on that and hang it just like that. But man, yeah, this was the first piece that caught my eye. I went, ooh, I like it. That's beautiful. Nice. You can see it's pretty. It's a pretty well made. It's a heavy piece. Nice and early. That, I wonder if that clasp has been. Looks like that clasp may have been replaced at some point. Although the hinge and clasp are pretty consistent together. Oh, I'm not even focused on my pile. We're just on the. Dang. This is going to be a short video, but this was the one. This was why I bought the lot. Because a very recognizable design. And I thought it might actually fit. Oh, dang. Well, I don't know if that's a fit or not. We'll see. It's actually a little bit tight, darn it. Well, darn. I'll wear it around a little bit and see, but unfortunately for me, but fortunately for someone else, it looks like this is going to be coming up for sale. Any guesses? Anyone know who this is? Hints, Mexican silver, book, probably a book piece. I don't know. Maybe not a book piece. Mexican silver. Here. We're not going to wait for a part 2. Rare, Hector Aguilar, 940. You don't find the 940 mark very often. Man, I sure hope it's comfortable, because this is a piece I'd love to be able to wear. But if not, it will be coming up for sale. So, tell me what you think. Quick little video. Geez, I almost could have done a short with this. I know what my favorite piece is. What's yours? Thanks for joining in.